Let's talk about compression. How to use compression and decompression in Linux. Now in this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to compress directories and files, or really the content of a directory. Now we're going to go ahead and start by creating a directory. So we'll use the make directory, and we'll test dir. I'll create some files in that directory, so I'll use touch and test directory. I'll type the file 1, 2, 3. So this command will create 3 files in test directory. So let's type ls and cd for the test directory. Now we have file 1, 2, and 3. So let's go back to the home directory now and tar that whole entire directory. So use the command tar and -cf. We'll give the name of the tar directory. I'll keep the same name, testdir. But here, .tar. Then where's the location? Where should we place this new directory? Now I'm going to go ahead and keep it inside the same directory and hit enter. Let's navigate to that directory, ls. Then we see the test directory here, and we have the tar directory. So let's do something now. Let's try to see the contents of the tar directory. So tar-tf and test directory.tar. So here's what we have in it. We have a directory by itself, and we have file 1, 2, 3. So let's remove the original directory, rm-rf test directory, and all its content. Again, ls. So we have test directory.tar only. Now, since we've lost the original directory and we want to get it back, we can use tar to bring back the original directory. So type tar-xf here and type the name of the tar directory. Click enter, ls. Notice that we have the test directory again. Now, we'll change directory to test and hit enter, ls. We have all our files are retained. Also, to make sure of the content, you can type ls and test directory, and it'll show you the content without navigating into that directory. So let's try to do the same with gzip. Now gzip test directory, so gzip works on files, but really it doesn't work on a directory. Now we're going to type in the same command, but here we will specify which file we want to gzip. So gzip for file 1, and it should be inside the test directory. So we'll ls test directory. So here's file gz1. Now, what's the difference between tar and gzip? Well, tar did not compress the original file, but it took a copy of it and compressed the copy and left the original files as they were. On the other hand, gzip has zipped the original file. So to unzip the file, that you're going to type gunzip, and now type the directory, test directory, and you type the file name, which is file1gz, and hit enter. And now again, type ls for test directory, and we'll notice here that we have the result. File 1 has gone back to the original situation, which is an unzipped or a regular file.